So hi guys, we're on our day 3 of this chapter, which is page 127. And we're looking at temperatures in different parts of the world. So this again is why temperature is important. And we know this because we always tend to, Irish people anyway, we tend to go on holidays in places that are warmer than here. And so we're looking at kind of here it says the temperatures in the following cities at midday, one day in December, okay? So in December in New York, it was -1. All the way over in Cairo, it was 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is something when you're near the equator, the temperatures are higher. Okay, so Cork, we've 6 degrees Celsius, still cold, nearly heading towards freezing. Dublin was colder though at 5 degrees Celsius. Helsinki, up in Scandinavia, I think it is -2 degrees Celsius. Oslo -8. And Winnipeg -14. I don't want to be in Winnipeg. Okay, so just there's such a difference in the temperature in different parts of the world. And that's what this is about. So there's a load of questions about those. What city is the highest temperature? What city is the lowest temperature? What's the difference between the temperatures in Rome and Dublin? So where's Rome? Oh, Rome is 13 degrees Celsius and Dublin is 5. So you have to count back. So 5... and then you go up to it and that's 8 degrees Celsius. So that's 8 degrees in the difference there. Okay. So you just have to work those out, guys. How much colder is it in Rome than in Cape Town? You have to work that out. See how you get on with those answers. There's loads of them there, all the questions. And then down here, complete the following grid by increasing or decreasing the original temperatures as required. So here we've Cork, 6 degrees Celsius. Increase the temperature by 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11 degrees Celsius. Decrease the temperature, now that means the original temperature, by 3 degrees Celsius. So decrease by 3 would be 3 degrees Celsius. Increase the temperature by 15 degrees Celsius. So 6 plus 15 is 21 degrees. And then decrease the temperature by 13 degrees. So go back 13. So take 6 away first. That brings us to 0. And then we are at 13 degrees. So let's say if we're at 6, and then we go back to 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to go back to 13. So what will that bring us to? So 6, we jump 5 to get to that, and then we have 13, so we have to go back -8, I think it is. Just double check it though for me. And so I think it's a good idea in relation to this is draw something out to help you. Okay, so put your 0 here and draw it out so that you can count it back. Okay, so go up. The highest is Cairo at 22. You know, do 20 here, 10 here, 0 here, 10 here, 20 here. Just to give you a hand, you know. And do all your little things there just to give you a hand when you're jumping properly to make sure you're doing it right. Okay, so long guys, have fun.